Welcome back to AMAAI Tech, your ultimate destination for discovering the smartest, most powerful AI tools on the internet today. If you are a content creator, a digital marketer, a freelancer, or a small business owner, you probably know the exhausting daily struggle of content creation. You stare at a blank screen, waiting for inspiration to strike, while the clock keeps ticking. And when you finally decide to use AI to speed things up, you realize you are suddenly juggling a dozen different subscriptions. You use one tool for writing blog posts, another one for generating images, a third one for transcribing audio, and a fourth just to manage your social media captions. Before you know it, you are spending hundreds of dollars a month and constantly switching between tabs, which completely kills your creative flow. But what if I told you there is a single, centralized workspace that combines the power of advanced copywriting, image generation, audio transcription, and custom chatbots, all under one beautifully designed roof? Today we are doing a deep dive review and a complete step-by-step masterclass tutorial on Easy-Peasy.AI. By the end of this video, you will see exactly why this platform is being called the ultimate Swiss Army knife for digital creators. And make sure you stick around until the very end, because I have a special link that will help you get started with the best available deal. Let's dive right in. So, what exactly is Easy-Peasy.AI? As the name beautifully suggests, this platform is designed to make your workflow ridiculously simple and stress-free. At its core, Easy-Peasy.AI is an all-in-one AI content assistant powered by the latest language models, including GPT-4, O, and Claude 3. But it goes far beyond just a simple chat window. It is built specifically with productivity and actionable output in mind. Instead of forcing you to become an expert at prompt engineering, Easy-Peasy.AI has taken the heavy lifting entirely out of the equation. It provides a massive, meticulously categorized library of over 200 pre-trained templates. Whether you need a highly converting Facebook ad, a comprehensive SEO-optimized blog post, a professional email, or even a customized job description, this tool has a specific generator designed to output exactly what you need in seconds. Furthermore, it completely eliminates the need for external media tools by integrating AI image generation, text-to-speech voice synthesis, and audio transcription directly into your dashboard. Let's take a closer look at the core features that truly make Easy-Peasy.AI stand out from the crowded AI market. First and foremost is the template library. With over 200 specialized templates, the sheer volume and quality are staggering. You are not just getting generic text. You are getting frameworks based on proven marketing psychology, like AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action, and PAS, problem, agitate, solution. Next is the revolutionary document chat feature. You can upload long, complex PDF documents, research papers, or massive data files and immediately start chatting with them. You can ask the AI to summarize a 50-page report into 3 bullet points or extract specific statistics, saving you hours of tedious reading. Then, we have the built-in AI image and audio capabilities. Imagine writing a brilliant blog post and then instantly generating a custom, royalty-free featured image for it without ever leaving the page. You can even use the text-to-speech tool to instantly turn that blog post into a highly realistic audio file for a podcast or a video voiceover. It is a complete end-to-end production studio running right in your web browser. Now, let's get our hands dirty. I am going to walk you through a comprehensive step-by-step tutorial on how to use Easy-Peasy.AI to create a complete content marketing campaign from absolute scratch. Imagine we are running a new organic coffee brand, and we need content fast. Step 1. Navigating the dashboard. Once you log in, you are greeted by a clean, intuitive interface. We will head over to the Templates section. Since we need a foundational piece of content, we will start with the blog idea generator. In the input box, I will simply type our core topic, the health benefits of drinking organic coffee. I can select my target audience and set the tone of voice to informative and engaging. Within 3 seconds of hitting generate, the AI provides a list of 10 highly clickable, SEO-friendly blog titles. I love this one. From Bean to Cup, how organic coffee boosts your morning and your health. Step 2, writing the article. Now that we have our perfect title, we will switch over to the blog post workflow tool. This is a game changer. I paste our chosen title, and the AI immediately generates a structured, logical outline complete with H2 and H3 headings. Once I approve the outline, Easy-Peasy.AI goes to work, generating a complete thousands-word draft. What I absolutely love here is the long-form editor. It feels just like using Microsoft Word or Google Docs, but with a super-powered AI sitting next to you. If I read a paragraph and feel it needs more detail, I simply highlight the text, click Expand, and the AI seamlessly adds more depth and context while maintaining the original tone. If a sentence sounds too robotic, I hit Rewrite, and it gives me a fresh, human-sounding alternative instantly. This ensures your final piece is polished, highly readable, and perfectly aligned with your brand voice. Step 3. Creating visual assets and repurposing. A great blog post needs a stunning featured image. Without opening a new tab, I jump straight into the Easy-Peasy.AI image generator. I type my prompt: a steaming cup of black coffee on a rustic wooden table surrounded by fresh, green coffee leaves, cinematic lighting, 4K high resolution. Boom! In seconds, I have 4 gorgeous, unique images to choose from. No copyright issues, no expensive stock photo subscriptions. Finally, let's maximize our reach. I will take the link or the text of our newly created blog post and drop it into the Twitter thread generator. The AI instantly chops up our long-form article into a highly engaging, punchy series of tweets, complete with relevant hashtags and emojis. In less than 5 minutes, we have ideated, written, illustrated, and repurposed an entire content campaign. That is the incredible power of workflow consolidation. To keep things completely objective on AMAAI tech, let's talk about the pros and cons. The biggest pros are obvious: unmatched versatility, an incredibly user-friendly interface that requires 0 technical skills, and massive cost savings by combining multiple tools into one. The ability to use premium models like GPT-4o for complex reasoning is also a massive advantage. On the downside, because it is a jack of all trades, the AI image generator, while great for everyday use, might sometimes require a few extra prompt adjustments compared to a dedicated high-end design platform. Also, the free plan does have strict word limits, which is understandable. However, when we look at the pricing, Easy-Peasy.AI absolutely destroys the competition. While platforms like Jasper can cost you nearly $100 a month, Easy-Peasy offers tiered plans that are incredibly affordable, especially their unlimited plans that remove the stress of counting every single word you generate. It provides enterprise-level value at a freelancer-friendly price. To wrap things up, my final verdict is clear. Easy-Peasy.AI is an absolute powerhouse. Whether you are battling writer's block, looking to drastically scale your content production, or simply trying to cut down on your monthly software expenses, this platform is a must-have tool in your digital arsenal. It truly lives up to its name, making advanced artificial intelligence easy-peasy. Now, if you are ready to revolutionize your workflow and start creating amazing content 10 times faster, I have got something special for you. Click the exclusive link down in the description below or in the pinned comment to start your Easy-Peasy.AI journey today. Using that link is the absolute best way to access the platform, test out the incredible features we just reviewed, and secure the best pricing available. Stop wasting time staring at blank pages and let AI do the heavy lifting for you. Thank you so much for watching AMAAI Tech. If you found this review and tutorial helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our future AI deep dives. See you in the next video.